The George and Louise Patten collection of Salem Hyde papers and cultural artifacts provides opportunity for critical analysis regarding provenance and material culture, bringing forth conversations surrounding ownership and cultural appropriation. In 1969, Salem Hyde, an amateur archaeologist from Cleveland, Tennessee, donated his papers and collection of pre-columbian artifacts to the University of Tennessee at Chattanooga. Hyde had a strong relationship with Emilio Estrada, an established archaeologist from Ecuador, who had worked with Smithsonian archaeologists Betty Meggers and Clifford Evans speculating on trans-Pacific contact. Letters, slides, and Hyde's extensive collection of Estrada's research emphasized the significant relationship the two shared. However, there are no records of ownership or provenance to suggest whether Hyde purchased or was gifted these artifacts to bring back to the United States. This lack of records presents difficulty in forming a narrative around ownership with this collection, especially given the cultural significance of these artifacts. When examining the transnational exchange of ancient objects that comprise key collections of indigenous art, there are often no easy or definitive answers surrounding the ethics of such practices. Additionally, the history and acquisition of this collection is a reminder of the impact of colonialism on our understanding of ancient indigenous cultures. Pre-columbian artifacts are unique to research because of the lack of written documentation, so the research is reliant on material culture. Contemporary scholars use pre-columbian collections to create new narratives that take a more nuanced approach to the complex indigenous communities and cultural practices responsible for the artifacts. In contributing to this post-colonial perspective, scholars accept that these unknowns with ancient artifacts are valuable to decolonizing these narratives. As a part of this exhibit's post-colonial efforts, there are clay modeling lesson plans that encourage experiential learning and approach the collection in respects to the indigenous cultures. The Investigating Provenance Post-colonial Perspectives in the George and Louise Patten collection of Salem Hyde papers and cultural artifacts seeks to acknowledge the limitations in the collection, credit indigenous history, and spark conversations around these artifacts.